Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. I think we had spoken enough about the companies which are competing to co-develop and manufacture engines for India's fifth generation Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft program. The companies which I am talking about here are Rolls-Royce of United Kingdom, Safran of France, and GE of the United States. If you see the relationship of India with these companies, Rolls-Royce engines are powering India's Jaguar attack aircraft, Hawk Advanced Trainer, and Lockheed Martin C-130J Super Hercules military transport aircraft. Safran engines from France power one of the most loved fighters, which is Dassault Aviation Rafale of Indian Air Force. Not only that, the Safran Group is also the leading supplier of turbine engines for the helicopters used by Indian Defense Forces. Coming to General Electric of the United States, these GE engines power various variants of Tejas aircrafts of HAL. Now that we have seen how much India is related or dependent on these companies for their variety of aircrafts and helicopters, let's just quickly see which one should be considered for co-developing the engine for future aircrafts, mainly for the AMCA. Even though General Electric engines are ordered in bulk by India for their upcoming future Tejas fighters, India might not be going for GE as a partner for co-developing the engines. The reason why India might not be going for GE of United States is due to the hesitation of the core technology transfer to India. The other two options which are left for India are Rolls-Royce and Safran. The main factor which would decide the partner will be based on the cost and the transfer of technology of the core engine technology. France has always been in good relationship with India, and I'm sure India can very well consider Safran for their future engine co-development program. It would also help them in getting all required help from France during the maintenance of Rafale fighters, which were inducted recently by Indian Air Force. Now coming to Rolls-Royce, it's again one of the companies which power many aircrafts of Indian Defense Forces fleet, and in addition to this, Rolls-Royce will also be helping India to get the most proven and powerful engines for the Indian Navy vessels. The attractive offer which is being provided by Rolls-Royce is about their future vision of hybrid engines for marine systems. Rolls-Royce is looking at hybrid propulsion for very large carriers in the naval fleet, and India can benefit with this if they choose Rolls-Royce. All the opinions and information shared above were my personal one based on the study I did about these type of news which has come in the different sources. I'm sure this might obviously differ from others' opinion, so please feel free to leave your opinions in the comment section of this particular video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.